Hey, this is Goldie here from Brizy Tricks. In this video I'm going to show you how to build a simple sales funnel in Brizy Cloud. Brizy Cloud's a great little platform for this kind of thing. It does take a little bit of understanding of the process of building a sales funnel, and there are a few extra tools which you need to use outside of Brizy Cloud in order to make this work. But it really is a good little platform for building nice little sales funnels. So here I'm going to show you the map of the funnel I've got here. I've got a little PLR product, which is basically a private label right. It's an ebook on how to build a sales funnel. It goes quite in depth, and it's a great little book which covers a lot of the theory of different types of sales funnels, why sales funnels work, the kind of a bit of the psychology of sales funnels. That ebook, once someone purchases that book, goes through to a payment gateway. I use a tool called Plug and Pay, so that's a third-party tool which allows me to set up a payment process. People can choose to pay different payment gateways, and I think the fees for Plug and Pay are like 2% of your sales or something like that. Or you can, if you're selling lots of products, you can have a monthly fee. Plug and Pay also allows then for a redirect to a upsell page. So I've set up an upsell page in Brizy Cloud as well, and that's a video course on the sales funnel, basically the same content as the book, but just the video version. That video upsell page has two links on it basically. One which is to another Plug and Pay plug to buy the upsell, which then redirects to a thank you page, or a no thanks, I'm just going to have the ebook, and that redirects you to the thank you page to download the book. So here's what the page looks like. It's the basically it's got I've rebuilt the page which actually comes, the sales page which comes with the PLR product, so it's all this copy is just basically I've used a copy that they've given me to sell the book. But it is a nice little book. This button here at the bottom, so at the top of the page we've got a button which you can go directly down to the add to cart button. There's also a sales video up there, a bunch of sales copy explaining what you're going to get in the book, and then the add to cart button. At the bottom we also have a privacy policy, terms and conditions, and a money back guarantee. Privacy policy and terms and conditions, which are an essential part of any sales funnel. I've created those using getterms.io. So basically that's you can create a free privacy policy and terms of service. They also have a paid version where you can get much more in-depth policies, but for a simple sales funnel this is perfectly adequate. You put in your website address, company name, etc., and then generate the terms. That spits out some HTML that you can put into an embed element on your Brizy page, and it creates your terms just like this. Okay, so back to the page here. Your add to cart button takes you through to a Plug and Pay plug, which looks like this. Add your name, add your email address, say where you're from, and hit next, and it gives you these payment options. Once you've paid, you are redirected to the upsell page, which is here. Wait, get the video course, it's much better. Tells you exactly what you're getting. You can then add that to cart or choose no thanks. If you add to cart, you'll be taken through to the the plug for that particular product. And if you choose not to add to cart, you'll be taken through to the thank you page for the book itself. So this is just for the book. You can download the book. If you purchase the upsell, you get taken through this page, which has the download the book, download the video training, and download the audio training, and then also link to join the Brizy Tricks community, so to share any ideas on how to work within Brizy Tricks, Brizy Cloud. So that pretty much, in a nutshell, is how I've built out a simple sales funnel in Brizy Cloud. You can go much more in depth with the sales funnel, but that pretty much covers how to build a simple sales funnel with a simple upsell. and some redirects. If you want to get access to Plug and Pay, if you go to the brizytricks.brizy.site, there's a link on there to Plug and Pay where you can sign up for a free account. If you want your privacy policy generator, it's just getterms.io. And it's also worth using Google Draw to create a map of your funnel before you go, so you make sure that you've got all of the right pages, everything's there. There are other tools where you can map out for sales funnels, but for a simple sales funnel, Google Draw is perfect and it's free, so that's kind of handy. I hope this little video has been helpful and you can now build your sales funnel in Brizy Cloud and start making some money. Talk soon. Bye.